Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at the Huang Valley. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Okay, let's go. By around 5000 BCE, farmers had settled in a number of villages in the valley of the Huang, or Yellow River. Over time, powerful rulers united these villages to create large kingdoms. In this way, Chinese civilization arose. The geography of China. China has two main rivers, the Huang, or Yellow, and the Chang, also called the Yangtze. These rivers provide water for farming and offer easy transportation. The Huang cuts through deposits of loess, fine yellowish dust from deserts. The river picks up the loess, which then settles on farm fields during floods. The flooding often caused great destruction. However, it left behind a gift. The loess makes the land fertile and easy to work. Other features of the land affected China's development. North and west of China are two great deserts. Towering mountains also cut off China from neighboring lands. These features slowed the spread of information, goods, and ideas between China and other civilizations. The Shang dynasty. From the early settlements along the Huang River, the Shang kingdom rose to power about 1700 BCE. It came to dominate a large part of the region. Shang rulers took steps to improve farming. They also built dikes, walls that hold back water, to control river flooding. The Shang developed a system of writing using pictographs, pictures that represent words or ideas. These were later developed into the characters that Chinese people use today. Shang artisans created pottery and jade carvings. The Shang are best known, however, for their bronze metalworking. Shang artisans made finely decorated pots, cups, weapons, and items for religious ceremonies. And now, let's recap. By around 5000 BCE, farmers were settling happily along the Huang River and probably wondering why their fields kept turning yellow every flood season, unaware that this loess stuff was actually doing them a favor. Over time, strong rulers gathered these villages together, and China began to take shape amid two mighty rivers that carried water, silt, and the occasional confused farmer downstream. China's deserts and mountains stood around like giant introverts, keeping the rest of the world at arm's length, which slowed the exchange of ideas but helped shape a unique civilization. By about 1700 BCE, the Shang dynasty rose to power, improving farming, building river defenses, inventing pictograph writing, and producing beautiful pottery jade carvings, and especially fancy bronze items that must have made neighboring groups say something like, "Wow, those folks really know how to make a cup." There you have it, folks. That is the Huang Valley Nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons for me. Okay, I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.